Hi there. Welcome to the Friendly Grill. How many tonight?
Hey, table for two, please.
Awesome. Follow me right this way. Here's your table. My name's Sarah. I'll be taking care of you guys tonight. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Yeah, can I get a water with lemon, please?
And an iced tea, no sugar. One lemon water and one unsweetened iced tea coming right up. Here are your menus. I'll be back in a few minutes. Here's your water with lemon and your iced tea. Are you ready to order or do you need a couple more minutes?
We're ready, but first, what's good tonight?
Honestly, the new barbecue burger is killing it. And the grilled chicken with sweet potato fries is super popular.
Nice. Quick question. Does the barbecue burger have onions? I don't like onions.
It comes with onion rings on top, but I can have them leave those off, no problem.
Perfect. I'll do the barbecue burger, no onion rings, and can I get fries instead of the coleslaw?
You got it. Burger with no onion rings, side of fries. And for you, I'll have the grilled chicken, but can I swap the sweet potato fries for regular fries and add a side of mac and cheese? Absolutely. We can do that. Any allergies I should know about?
I'm allergic to shellfish, just so you know.
Good to know. Nothing on your plates has shellfish tonight. Would you like any appetizers to start?
Yeah, let's get the loaded nachos to share. Perfect choice. I'll put all that in for you. All right, here we go. Loaded nachos for the table. And careful, plates are hot. Barbecue burger, no onion rings with fries. And grilled chicken with regular fries and mac and cheese on the side. Can I get you anything else right now?
Wow, looks amazing. Could we get some extra napkins and a side of ranch, please?
Of course. Be right back with those. How is everything tasting?
So good. This burger is perfect.
The mac and cheese is unreal. Awesome. Glad you like it. Let me top off that iced tea for you. There you go. Any room for dessert tonight? Our apple pie a la mode is made fresh daily.
Oh, yes. We'll share one apple pie with ice cream. And I'll just have a coffee, regular, with cream and sugar on the side, please.
One apple pie a la mode and one regular coffee coming right up. Here's your warm apple pie with vanilla ice cream and your coffee. Enjoy!
Thank you.
All set?
Yes, we're good. Can we get the check, please?
Sure thing. I'll leave it right here. No rush, whenever you're ready.
Thanks. Actually, can we split it two ways?
Yep, I can split it right now. Here you go. 2 checks. Thank you so much.
I added a 20% tip. You were awesome.
Oh, thank you guys so much. Have a great night. Come back soon.
Definitely. Thanks, Sarah.
Water with lemon, unsweetened iced tea, regular coffee, cream and sugar on the side, barbecue burger, onion rings, coleslaw, potato fries, grilled chicken, mac and cheese, loaded nachos, apple pie, vanilla ice cream.
If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.